Well, happy New Year, everyone, and day one to see who catches the first bone today. So I invited everybody today, so let's see what happens. Okay, shoot. Oh, no. This is what happens. First fish of the year, baby. Let's go. My ball. Yeah.
Oh my God.
There we go. All right, guys. First fish of the year, and my pole's apart. Okay, I gotta get back to fighting. Come on, Phil. Come on. We got this. Come on. Let's go. No. Come back. Yeah. We gotta get low. Gotta get the shot. Come here, Paul. Ah, come here, Paul. No. Fighting from the cross-legged position is a tested. Come on, Paul. Come here. No. Go better. Come on. No. Come here. Oh, no. Come here, sea anchor. We got 20 things going on at once. All I gotta do is get my pole back. And we got a shot here. Things just got interesting. As we get closer, we get further. We got this. Come here. Okay. Now we're fighting a fish. All right, first bonefish of the year. So obviously, folks, you want to make sure that your rod stays together. Rods that stay together work together. Come on, Dave. Now we can pick up everybody else. Go. All right, buddy. Oh, see you later, alligator. All right, it's 9:40, 2026, and I'm pretty sure that's the first bonefish of the year, but we'll see. Yeah.